Financial freedom affirmations. Do you dream of a life where you're in full control of your money, your time, and your future? Where do you wake up each morning knowing that financial freedom is not just a goal, it's a reality? Well, buckle up because today you're about to unlock the power of your own mindset. Stick around until the end, and I'll show you the one affirmation that could change everything. When it comes to achieving financial freedom, the secret isn't just in spreadsheets or investment accounts, it's in your mind. Your thoughts shape your reality. That's why successful people don't just talk about their goals, they affirm them. Affirmations aren't some fluffy new age concept. They're powerful tools used by top performers around the world to unlock their fullest potential. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how can a few words change anything in my bank account? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into next. Affirmation number 1. Let's start with this. I am worthy of financial abundance. This affirmation is crucial because so many of us grow up with limiting beliefs about money. We're told things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or you have to work hard to make money. These beliefs create subconscious blocks, making you feel like wealth isn't for you. But here's the thing. Money is simply a tool that responds to your energy, your attitude, and your belief in yourself. If you don't believe you're worthy of financial abundance, no amount of hustle will ever bring it into your life. Okay, so you're worthy of financial success. But now, how do you build the confidence to actually claim it? Well, let's talk about that. Affirmation number 2. Next up, I am the creator of my own financial destiny. This affirmation shifts you from a passive observer to an active player in your financial life. When you take responsibility for your financial situation, you become empowered to make choices that align with your vision. The truth is, most people live on autopilot. They wait for things to happen instead of making them happen. And I know what you're thinking, but I'm still in debt, or I'm barely scraping by. Trust me, I've been there. But you don't have to stay there. You can create your own path. You just need to own your financial story and rewrite it. Now, let's talk about how to handle those inevitable obstacles that come your way. The big ones. The ones that make you question everything. But here's where it gets exciting. Affirmation number 3. I attract opportunities that lead to wealth. One of the most powerful forces in the universe is opportunity. But here's the thing. Opportunity doesn't just appear. You have to train yourself to recognize it, to seek it, and to act on it. And guess what? It all starts with mindset. If you're constantly thinking that good things don't happen to you, guess what? They won't. But if you believe that opportunities are everywhere, that the universe is conspiring in your favor, you'll start seeing doors open that you didn't even know existed. All right. I know, this is starting to sound a little like a motivational speaker on a TED stage. But bear with me. Because when you start believing this affirmation, watch out. You're going to be pulling in opportunities faster than you can say, financial freedom. Trust me. Now, let's get real for a second. All the affirmations in the world won't matter if you're not actually taking action to back them up. Which leads us to the next game-changing affirmation. Affirmation number 4. I am disciplined and committed to my financial goals. No one ever achieved financial freedom without dedication. It doesn't matter how much you earn. If you don't learn the art of managing it, you're just spinning your wheels. Think of your money like a garden. You have to nurture it, water it, and protect it. But if you don't, the weeds of poor habits will take over. And let me tell you, this next affirmation is the one that separates the dreamers from the doers. But before I reveal it, I need you to ask yourself this question. Am I really ready to take my wealth to the next level? Keep that thought in your mind. Affirmation number 5. I am financially free and I have the power to live my dream life. This is where the magic happens. This is the affirmation that brings all the others together. It's the culmination of belief, action, discipline, and opportunity. When you affirm that you are financially free, you're not just speaking about your bank account. You're speaking about your life. You are telling yourself that you have control, that your future is not dictated by external forces, but by your decisions. You're telling yourself that no matter where you are right now, you have the power to shift your trajectory and step into a life of wealth and freedom. And here's the kicker. Affirmations are just the first step. If you're serious about your financial freedom, you need to take bold actions today. Don't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow is never promised. If you want a wealthy life, you have to create it, starting now. So there you have it, 5 affirmations that can unlock your path to financial freedom. But remember, words alone won't get you there. You need belief, you need commitment, and you need to take action. And if you're ready to take that leap, I challenge you to write these affirmations down and say them out loud every single day. Because the truth is, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is you. Now, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Drop a comment below with the affirmation that resonates most with you. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more powerful tools to help you build the life you deserve. Your financial freedom starts right now. Let's make it happen.